Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharina Amira binti Mahadi. Today I will present about the factor affecting respiration. Introduction of respiration. Plant respiration, or known as the breakdown of glucose and oxygen by the plant to create the energy, is regulated by a number of variables that influence the rate of respiration, and as a result modify the numerous plant function. So now we go through with the affecting respiration. So the first one is the type of cell or tissue. High respiration rate cells have extremely active in mitochondria. For the synthesis of the ATP are active, proliferating and synthesize protein, DNA, and cell wall component quickly. These cells, which are older and structural cells, which reduce respiratory rate. This present a mesomeric region and also mature and refined in the fruit and seed. So next is temperature. Low temperature causes a reduction in the respiration rate, whereas the high temperature causes the tissue deterioration and increased respiration. An optimal temperature for the plant is between 30 to 35 Celsius. Oxygen. Since oxygen lowers respiration efficiency and energy output, it is essential for plant energy production. Low oxygen level in poorly drained soil causes anaerobic respiration, while insufficient oxygen can restrict development and the function enough oxygen to promote effective and high energy respiration. So next is carbon dioxide. Elevated carbon dioxide level in the plant tissue or their surrounding can restrict respiration by causing an imbalance in the internal metabolism of the plant, altering gas exchange in the cell and decrease enzyme activity. In addition to influence cellular conditions and enzyme activity, this can hinder breathing and eventually impair the pace of respiration. So next is glucose. Since the glucose is the main fuel for cellular respiration in the plant, greater respiration results from increased glucose produced by photosynthesis. Energy production slows down when there is insufficient glucose, while glucose level increase when oxygen is present. So after that, we have ATP. ATP as an indication that there is sufficient energy available. Higher ATP level during the respiration decrease down the pace of respiration. By slowing the rate at which glucose is converted into the ATP in the mitochondria, the mechanism known as feedback inhibition conserves resource. Following that, we have plant injury. Plants that are injured need more energy to restore or to recover themselves, which raises the respiration. In order to heal, damaged tissue need more ATP and a greater respiration rate because they promote the reaction of the new cell, the synthesis of the defense chemical, and the closure of wound. Besides that, we also have the pest synthesis. Plants that are physically harmed by the pest have the higher respiration rate. Diseases that are bound on the bacteria, virus, or fungus limit the flow of water, glucose, and oxygen. In order to create the protective compounds and heal damaged tissue, plant cells increase respiration. Plant death, energy loss, and respiratory collapse can result from staph disease. So for the last one, is herbicide. Herbicides have the potential to indirectly impair respiration and lower the amount of energy that plant get by causing mechanical damage, altering enzyme function, damage mitochondria, and producing harmful reactive oxygen species. So, for the conclusion, both internal and external elements such as temperature, oxygen and carbon dioxide level, glucose supply, ATP level, injury, pests and disease, also herbicide, affect the plant respiration. The respiration rate of the matured cell are lower than those of young. Developing cell, a plant ability to produce energy for growth, repair, and survival is determined by this component. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video.